thing we're missing from the chat component. That is the form down here, right? The thing that actually lets us type a message. How about we call that MessageForm? Capital M, message, capital F, form.js. And as we'll soon learn, when we do forms in React, we generally have state. So we'll make this a full-blown class. So we'll import both React and component from React. We'll make a class called MessageForm that extends or inherits from component. It will then need a render function, render method. In this case, instead of returning a div, I'll return a form. So I'll return a form with a class of MessageForm. I don't need an action on it. And I still need to export default MessageForm. I will be importing that in the chat component. So we'll import MessageForm from /MessageForm. And I'll just add MessageForm down here. So our chat component is pretty simple. It's just chat header, message list, MessageForm. I like to see that. I like each component to be very, very simple and to really just be composed of other components until we actually get to something that has some behavior. Chat will probably get a little messier than this one of these days, but this makes me happy. So MessageForm has a form in it. And in that form, we'll have an input and a button. Let's go ahead and make those. So input, I'm going to go ahead and put my attributes on separate lines, or my props rather. We'll go ahead and give it a name of body, because that's the thing this is actually going to be. Excuse me. I'll put a placeholder in there. Type a message. If you want autofocus in React, it's camel cased. Autofocus like that. Did we ever use required in the other app? Did we do it at the very end? Okay. Why not make this required too? There's no sense in submitting a message that doesn't have anything in it, right? So just throw a required prop on there. That ought to do it. And then we need a button. Why, thank you. I do what I can. So I'll say send, and this will be a button of type submit, right? Which is the default for a button that's inside a form, but let's be explicit. Doesn't look like much, but there it is. Yep. Gonna throw the MessageForm component in chat real quick. In Slack, that is. Questions about what we've done with that so far? going to go ahead and commit this. Add MessageForm component.